Okay, guys, so there's a lot more to Gunpla and stuff than just being model kits. Some guys just really don't want to build model kits at all. They're just really into statues, really into like very cool Japanese culture stuff like robots.
High quality figurines.
Like the high quality or premium collector's figurines. So we're here at Hobby Island, who are the distributors for that product. And that's what they do. And you know what's really, really cool about them? My favorite thing about them is that everything that they do is legit. And they get in some very cool deep cut stuff. So we got Des here from Hobby Island. They're the, what would you say? You're the...
So we're the leading distributors of toys in South Africa, and so we import from all around the world actually. We have Hot Toys in China, we have Sideshow in America, and we all bring quality goods to South Africa, yeah.
Sweet. And Des, like, what is your favorite thing at the moment in the store? Like, what do you like collecting?
Honestly, I'm a very big fan of the stuff that Proplica has given us. Proplica has the life-size swords and all that. And because Demon Slayer is all the rage these days, I'm a very big fan of the Tengen swords, the Nichirin swords. Honestly, it's my favorite to display, it's my favorite to talk about. It's my favorite to see, honestly. And yeah, that's what I'm really excited about.
Sure. So guys, just so that you guys know, with Proplica, okay, so if you're the kind of person who loves an anime a lot and you want a weapon from an anime series that is legit, you want to be able to say to people, hey, I got the sword from Kimetsu no Yaiba and it's the legit one, this is where you want to try and get stuff like that, okay? 100%. I know that a lot of you all seeing like swords and things in the convention, and we don't want to poo-poo anybody, but you know, sometimes that's fun for a little bit of a cosplay thing. But if you want a real collector's piece, you want to get something like this. Yes. Okay. And then we're getting to one of my favorite things, and I'm going to just show off here. Saint Seiya!
And then Gundam, we got to show it off as well.
Ooh, hey, there's my dudes. There's Phoenix Iki. I didn't see him the other day. It's my other favorites. Pegasus Rusekin, and there's Hades, and Thanatos.
Thanatos has to be my favorite.
Thanatos is so cool.
Thanatos has to be my favorite, like 100%. Coolest kid ever.
And guys, I know that some of you are like, oh, who are these like shiny men or whatever. Guys, this is the reason we have shonen anime, okay? This is why Dragon Ball and stuff exists. It's because of Saint Seiya. So I just want to get some love out for that.
Yeah.
Cool. And then what are those guys?
These guys over here are characters from the Squid Games that was very popular a few years ago. Actually, the second season is coming out soon as well. Cool. And you'd be surprised, this sells out very, very, very fast. We have the Young Hee doll on the market and the masked men in the various shapes and stuff on the market as well. We have the triangle head, the square head, and the circle head. And it's surprising people buy a lot of it, actually, yeah.
That's really, really cool. I didn't realize Squid Game had like a toy following.
Yeah, no.
So that's really...
Me too. Very
that's
surprised.
rad to hear.
I was very surprised to see that doll thing. It's like, wow.
The Young Hee doll.
Everyone
and then guys, you know, Jeff and I, we're Gunpla SA, so we're all about Gunpla. So I really wanted to bring people just to check out some of the metal build stuff.
Yes. Oh,
and then
amazing.
there's the
Gundam universe.
You have to look at Barbados. I mean, look. Goodness gracious.
And then just like, so full disclosure, I got myself one of those red ones, that Shazaku one. The Origins version Shazaku one, metal bolt. So good.
And like, I personally wanted the Zaku 2, but
they sold out.
It's a kind of a good thing that they were sold out. So yeah, my wallet's
because otherwise we would have bought two, because I want one too. And I also, I mean, I'm a big fan of the Black Tri-Stars, so having the high mobility Zaku is awesome. It's just so cool to see this stuff. And yeah, with that, Jeff and I are just going to walk around and check out some stuff. Des, thank you so much for just being awesome.
No worries about it. Honestly, we're here to be awesome, all of us.
And is there a favorite anime that you like at the moment?
I have watched over 700 anime.
Okay, okay, maybe just like your top,
top 10.
Top 10, one of them or whatever.
Okay.
Yeah. So no pressure.
Okay, right now I'm really enjoying Jujutsu Kaisen. I'm not a spoiler type of guy.
Jujutsu Kaisen is cool.
So cool. I mean, I'm an insanely big fan of Kimetsu no Yaiba as well, but also really feeling Re:Zero kara hajimeru isekai sekatsu. That's starting life from zero with Subaru.
5 times faster.
And I'm also a really big fan of Tensei Shitara Slime Dataken. That's reincarnated into the world as a slime. Honestly, I'm really feeling the isekai scene. Honestly, the merch is just 100% these days. I love it.
Oh, and then you got me who's like, isekai. No. I don't want to be a hater, man. I
Oversaturated.
don't want to be a hater. You like what you like. We like what we like, and it's cool that there's enough stuff for all of us to like
All of
stuff.
us as well.
All the
Um,
different fandoms.
So yeah, guys, that's Hobby Island, keeping it real. Like Gunpla say, we keep it real. It's just a big thing right now. There is a lot of like counterfeit and knockoff stuff. It's not cool. Okay.
Keep it legit. Keep it real, keep it legit.
Exactly. Businesses like Hobby Island and Gunpla say, and all of us, we're all trying to do the best thing we can to get in legit products so that collectors can get something that they know is going to be the real thing, and in 30 years' time, they can be proud of the fact that they own it and not
there's
see
value to it,
Yeah,
you know?
not see something that is discolored or fallen apart or disintegrated over time. Anyway, that is Gunpla SA. Should we smash it into Red Ava?
Red Ava.
Right. Until next time, guys.
Dun.
Paul,
Keep building
building
joy. Dun.
Yeah, no. But also, you have to give it up for the Justice Gundam, guys.
Those triangles here.
Yeah.
These are three of my favorite Gundams.
Honestly, of all time,
F91 and F1 is my absolute favorite design.